Hi everyone, this is the Plantaholic. I thought I'd show you some new Codeum houseplants that I've just bought today. Looking really glossy, and I do hope to put these outside for the summer eventually, like a lot of my tender exotic plants, including houseplants. Obviously when you buy them, you can't just buy them from the shop that have been in the shade and grown quite soft and warm. In the warm, you need to, and then put them outside, you need to acclimatise them. So to be able to do that, well, I'll just show you now. So I've actually got one Codeum that I've had for many weeks now, growing on the edge of my living room next to the conservatory. Gets a bit of light through the glass of the conservatory doors anyway, from the outside. And so it's gradually acclimatised a little bit to the sunlight. So now I can actually move this, now that it's getting warmer at night, I can actually move this now into my conservatory in a shady spot. So if I just tuck it behind this chair, this full sunlight won't go on it directly, and it would just acclimatise it to the higher light levels, and also to the chillier nights in the conservatory before I put it in a shady spot in the garden, and then gradually move it into the sun before planting it out. So now I've freed up that pot there, where that other Codeum was, and get this new one here, this Codeum, put it in the pot here, and that will acclimatise it for a couple of weeks or so, just like the one before. So I'm hoping to move a few plants out of my conservatory today, such as the cycads, because we've had a few frosts recently, but I've got a very sheltered spot outside, so I'm going to move some of these plants outside shortly to free up some space in here, so that I can acclimatise some of my other house plants in the conservatory, just like those Codeum. So those will go out, the Washingtonia palm will go out, and I think also my Musa Basjou will go out today as well. So I'll move those outside shortly. So the space where I'm going to put these is right next to the house, south facing, on the decking area. These obviously plants have been in the conservatory for many weeks now, so they're well used to the high light levels, so they shouldn't burn too much in the sun. And I've got plenty of room here to move those out to free up some more space in the conservatory. Okay, so if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Cheers.